Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use voice effects on TikTok videos. So if you want to change your voice, you can use this voice effect feature on TikTok, and then you can just click on the plus icon in here. So if you want to upload the TikTok videos directly, you can do it. But I'm going to just record like this. For example, you can click on a check icon, and then you can just write the text. For example, I'm going to just write hello guys. Then in here I'm going to add a voiceover but using voice filter on CapCut. So click on a text and then go to the text to speech.
Hello guys.
And here you can
Hello guys.
change the voice
Hello guys.
by clicking on the text, and there will be this option change voice. You can see there will be this.
Hello guys.
So just choose which one that you want to use. You can click on done. Here you can also click on this drop down and there will be this voice option. You can change the voice in here. For example, you can try to listen it first. Let's try this teenager.
Hello guys.
Magnetic.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
So just choose which one that you want and then you can just click on save. You can also do a voiceover directly here by using the voice. Click on voice and there will be this record option. Now you can just record the voice. This is how it will look like. Click on done and then choose the voice effect. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.